The HDH 5000 by LiftWise gives you safe and reliable installation and removal of tires weighing up to 5,000 pounds. The HDH 5000 is battery powered with a built-in charger, and all functions are controlled by a handheld remote. The HDH 5000 allows the tire to be precisely positioned with ease by a single operator, increasing productivity on your assembly line. The HDH 5000 is fully adjustable and handles tires between 52 and 96 inches in diameter and up to 32 inches in width. Shifts in the center of gravity are accounted for by adjusting the overhead hook position. The tire handler rotates downward 90 degrees and securely clamps the tire, then rotates the tire to the vertical position. Hydraulic counterbalance valves are utilized to ensure the tire is secure, even if a hose is damaged or power is lost. A 25-degree bidirectional tire rotation allows you to easily align studs with the bolt pattern. Powered functions are deliberate and controlled by design, but the movement speeds can be adjusted to meet your application requirements. The HDH 5000 delivers versatility and productivity that is safe and reliable. LiftWise offers an increasing variety of tire handling devices, including the HDH 1400, a hanging tire handler capable of safely handling tires weighing up to 1,400 pounds, ranging from 30 to 53 inches in diameter, and a max width of 19 inches. Sidewinder, a hanging tire handler designed for tires ranging from 58 to 76 inches in diameter and a max width of 35 inches and weighing up to 2,200 pounds. The XHD20 tire handler, designed for handling 20,000 pound tires ranging from 107 to 160 inches in diameter and 44 to 75 inches in width. The 6000 series tire handler, a powered push-around device capable of handling tires weighing up to 6,000 pounds, ranging from 55 to 107 inches in diameter and up to 42 inches in width. This unit, along with all LiftWise tire handler products, can be customized to fit the customer's specific requirements. LiftWise, customized material handling solutions.